Today I want to show you a super quick and easy way to find exactly the layer you need in Procreate. Have you ever finished your drawing feeling so proud and then suddenly notice there's one accidental stroke that needs fixing? And then you're stuck staring at this giant list of layers, trying to figure out which one it's on. Well, there's actually a very simple trick to help you find it in seconds. First, we need to make sure the right setting is turned on. Tap the wrench icon at the top left. Go to Prefs, then choose Gesture Controls. In the Layer Select section, turn on Touch and Hold. Once that's checked, tap Done. Okay, now you're all set. When you are back on your canvas, just find the spot with a mistake and long press on it. Procreate will pop up a list showing all the layers that contain something at that exact spot. It makes it super easy to figure out which layer has that straight line. Let's do one more demo. Say there's an unwanted stroke down here in the lower left corner of the sketch. Just do the same thing, long press right at that spot and hold it until the layer list pops up. You will see all the layers that have content in that exact area. It's really helpful because you can preview them to figure out exactly which one has that accidental line. Here you can see it's clearly on layer 17. Just tap it and Procreate will automatically switch you straight to layer 17. Now all you have to do is grab the eraser and clean up that straight line. Super easy. No more guessing or scrolling endlessly through your layers. Even the tiniest mistakes are simple to find and fix. Give it a try. It will make your Procreate workflow so much smoother. By the way, the artwork you saw in this video actually comes from one of my step-by-step tutorials inside my membership. The membership includes tutorials from level 1 all the way up to level 8, conveying everything from plants, flowers, desserts to animals, people, and full scenes. I designed it to help beginners who feel stuck or frustrated find the joy of drawing again. One confidence-building tutorial at a time. If that sounds interesting, you can check all the details in the link in the video description. It's currently in early bird access, and I'm offering a free one-on-one call if you want to chat about your art goals or get some personalized help. I'd really love to connect with you and help you grow your digital art skills. Alright, thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!